Most editors don't fail because they are not good at what they do. They stop because the grid limits how much money they can make. Weeks of 60 hours, changes that never ends. One version was sent to clients and we hope it works. Then there were more edits, price talks, and small complaints. Most editors make between $1,500 and $300 a month and then burn out quickly. That was me late night fixing timelines because a small change broke everything. Resporting drafts, looking for music that would not set off copyright alarms, starting every project over with new folders, new imports, and new problems. Clients telling me to make it better when I was already stretched too thin. How much exhaustion I could handle directly affected my income. And after that, I totally changed the system. I can make professional client-ready video in minutes instead of days now. I give each product several polished versions. I work less and always make between $5,000 to $8,000 a month. I did not suddenly become a great editor. I stopped selling time and started using Framia Pro. The uncomfortable truth is that your editing skills are not the problem, your workflow is. You picture a soft 15-second ad with a strong 3-second hook, clear lighting, perfect pacing, characters that stay the same, and maybe a few different versions to try it out. But the execution takes too long. Files for the new project, imports by hand, getting audio, putting together a timeline, exporting drafts, waiting for a response, rebuilding parts when small changes break the flow. Every change takes away energy. Every project starts over. Your stamina limits how much you can do. And that's not how high-level operators do things. They manage systems rather than schedules. They make choices instead of just one draft. They sell results, not hours. And that changes come from Framia Pro. So Framia Pro is more than just an editing tool. It's an AI creative agent system made for people who work alone and want to get more done. You don't just open a blank editing timeline and start dragging clips. You open a chart window and tell a production team what to do. Specialized agents take care of everything from planning to final export in one interactive workspace. And these agents pick up the best models for each job. Google Gemini 3.1 takes care of writing scripts and planning. Imagination is handled by Nano Banana 2, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1 make video sequences that are very good. And voiceovers are powered by ElevenLabs. Suno writes music for the background. A smart story back canvas is where all the visuals, audio, pacing, and changes come together. You don't have to switch between apps. There are no breaks in the flow, and you don't have to start over with your projects. And this is how it's worked in real life. I start Framia Pro and type make a 15-second ad for skincare, a look of minimalistic luxury, white background that is clean, a strong emotional hook in the first 3 seconds, and lead female with a natural glow. And that's all. The agent quickly puts together a tight script, bake it out up into meaningful shots, makes sure that the characters stay the same from scene to scene, writes royalty-free music that fits the mood, and put everything together into a storyboard timeline that you can edit the video further. I have something planned and organized, not random and thrown together a few minutes later. I learned something that changed everything the first time I used it. The problem was never my creativity, it was set up by hand. The real benefit shows up when you make changes. In the past, if a client asked me to soften the hook, I had to reopen the project, find the right clip, edit or recreate it by hand, resync the audio and export it again. But now I just type make the hook less emotional, take it easy on shot 2, make the background warmer by adding beach tones. The system only changes those things, changes in lighting, changes in pacing. One shot regenerates if it's need to. Everything else stays the same, no rest, no progress lost. Changes feel like they are in your control instead of being bad. And that speed makes clients trust you more and gives you the confidence to raise your prices. And that's the real difference in income shows up when you test. Most editors spend out on one version and hope it works. People who are serious about their work make control changes. You can open 3 projects at once in 3 different browsers tab in Framia Pro. You make a cinematic emotional version in project window 1, you make a fast cut USD style edit in project window 2, and in project window 3 you make a direct response variation that is aggressive and has bold overlays. All 3 of them make things at the same time. And you get most of done by working in parallel instead of in order. You now have 5 to 8 good choices in the same amount of time it used to take to make one. And I don't send clients just one files anymore. When I send them projects, I sort structured variation and put them in place for testing. And that changes move the conversation from negotiating price to planning how to do better. Framia Pro is in charge of the whole production system. In one system, you can write scripts, put together storyboards, make shorts, do voiceovers, compose music, mix audio, and put everything together. Because that agents have contextual memory, character consistency stays the same between scenes. The visual tones stay consistent instead of feeling like it's been put together. And built-in music take away away the worry about copyright, ElevenLabs integrated voiceover gets rid of delays caused by outsourcing. And you can even take a 20-minute coaching or testimonial sessions and split it into dozens of short clips with different hooks and speeds all in the same workplace. And there are no problems with exports. Without having to resize or move assets between platforms, you can get vertical formats for TikTok and Reels, square format for Instagram, widescreen format for YouTube, and ad-ready versions. From idea to deployments, it's all one system. And when it takes days to make something, your income is set, and when production only takes up minutes, scaling becomes easy to predict. I stopped thinking in terms of project and started thinking in terms of volume, test, and results that can be measured. And that's when my income went from months of burnout to 5-figure amounts every month. Not because I did more work, because I got more done in less time. Now, Framia Pro is fully up and running. It is no longer in beta for the public. You need credit to make things, and right now there is a 50% discount and subscription plan that come with credit packs. If you really want to get more done without getting more tired, now is the time to think about it carefully. So what are you waiting for? Visit Framia.pro using the link in the description. A special offer from me. Sign up and you will get an extra 200 credits. Now thanks me later. Open up 3 tabs, do 3 tabs runs, put the workflow through its paces, find out how much time has passed, find out how much control you have. Don't waste your income on how much stress you can handle. Instead, build it around leverage. Your editing skill was never the best, your system was, now make it better. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions about this video and regarding Framia Pro, then definitely comment down below. And again, link in the description of Framia Pro. Definitely go and try it out. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now. And before going, hit that subscribe button too.